Good morning, YouTube. It's day 2 of lots of snow, and we're going to take a look at hunter boots. So these are the hunter riding boots that, I got them this Christmas at Nordstrom's online. These are the ones that are supposed to be discreet, so they don't have hunter all over them. But they came with these paper things to hold the shape, and okay, it's just some cardboard, but I think it's a nice touch. I don't like the idea of keeping my boots out so spiders can crawl into them, I like the fact that there's something in there. So I chose the size, well, I didn't choose it. This was the only size that was left. US 9, UK 7. Because I was quite fearful. Oh, see the logo in there? It's inside. If you have to prove you're wearing hunters, there's all the shields. Because are there, is it, what are they? The Queen stamp of approval, or no? I don't know. But anyway, so if you need to know inside, you can be secretly pleased that you are indeed wearing hunters, even though there is not, oh wait, look at that. There is the hunter logo up. So if you look closely enough, there it is. It's very discreet. So yes, appropriate for, God forbid, you have to walk in to the elevator with the partner of your firm and you're wearing rubber boots, but hey, at least they're hunters. So I just wanted to show you that if you're particular persnickety about, not having spiders crawling into your boots, you do have a little bit of cardboard. So you might wonder, how chunky are my calves? Because that's an issue with people. You've got chunky calves, and these are not adjustable. They're not adjustable wellies with the buckles. I mean, there's this like cosmetic thing here, but it's just like completely cosmetic. So they're not the type of boots that if you have chunky calves, you're going to be happy with. That's what the reviews say. And probably that's true. They're just about perfect for me. So I'm on the shorter side. I'm like 5'4", and so I have the calf size that I call average. Okay, and I am wearing the Smart Wool knee-high socks, which are a must. I did not buy the hunter socks. Why bother? You can just get Smart Wool, and they work just fine. So yes, you can still see the hunter logo, and maybe you want the hunter socks, the special hunter socks, so you can sort of fold them over and everyone knows you're wearing hunter boots, but I'm not doing that. So yes, these are my preferred boots because with global warming, it's not actually cold outside, and all this snow is actually melting. So you're more likely to be worried about water and, pools of water and melting ice and melting snow than anything. Are they a fine looking pair of boots? Yeah, I know these flip out, but I actually did loosen them a bit, so you can call me Ms. Chunky Calves, but it doesn't have to flop out like that. You can just go like this. Presto, they don't flop out. It doesn't really do much, so yeah. So sweatpants and wool socks. It's nice and snug and warm. Okay, so here's the boot collection that I have that I had to choose from, and you know, just for walking around, like getting into the car or going to the grocery store, I choose these hunter boots because, you know what, they're light, right? They're not overheated. I don't feel particularly hot in them, but yeah, you know, plastic, right? They're rubber. They're rubber boots. So if you wear them in the office, yes, your feet will get sweaty. So there's that to think about. But as far as just being able to have like an elegant shape, yeah, they're your classic riding boot shape, but they're not ostentatious like some boots. It's a beautiful slim shape. It's slim without, you know, cutting off all the circulation in your foot. So I don't know what you think, if you think they're beautiful, but yeah, they look nice. There's a nice slimming look to them. I find them quite refined. You know, I'll show you my Amazon purchase. Welly boots, and well, they're not wellies. Why am I saying they're wellies? They're nothing like Wellingtons. They're nothing to do with Wellingtons, but I have a coarser set of boots, rubber boots, that you can call them muck boots. They're for walking around in mud and hosing down. I'll show you those that I got on Amazon. For cheap. So these hunter boots on sale, Nordstrom's online will set you back like $80-$90, right? Maybe you can get them cheaper, I don't know. I doubt it. I've never seen hunter boots cheaper than that, but if you're gonna try and look at the tread, maybe what I'll do is yeah, I mean, I don't know if you're gonna skate on ice. I haven't really quite tried that. They're okay. You know what? I'll take them off and show you the bottoms. But as far as the coarser version that you're gonna get, please pardon that they're a little bit dirty. I'm just sitting in the basement. I haven't really been shoveling a lot of muck. But these are your Amazon made in China rubber boots that have a generous opening, no doubt about it. Easy on, easy off. You know, $30-$40, I can't remember now. Buy online. They're heavy. These things are heavy. Oh, because they're steel toe. Yeah, that's why I wanted these, for the steel toe aspect. So let's check the bottoms of these. Nice, good grip. I mean, I like them. They're just heavy. I got them steel toe, so I can't really wear woolen socks. Well, I could wear the woolen socks, but then because they're a little bit big, I'd like to wear insoles with them, and then it turns out that because of the steel toe and the insoles, it rubs against my toes, which makes them a little bit rough and raw. So they're not comfy for walking long distances, but they're perfect for shoveling muck. And you just hose them down, and, you know, if you really truly make them smelly and awful, don't ask. They're, you know, they're perfectly washable. But, you know, they're not beautiful. Like, okay, there's the hunter, and there's the mucky Amazon one. But you know, we can have two, no problems. So yeah, let's see if we can check out the difference. Is this gonna tell you much? Okay, so that's that. Let's see if we can get a good shot of, you know, I'm standing on one foot to get this shot, so I hope you appreciate that. Okay, so here you go. And this is ooh, much less tread, so yeah, you'll probably be skating around in these. But hey, you've got this cool red Hunter Scales of Justice or something. Like, what the freak does that have to do with riding boots? I don't know. Rubber boots. Not even riding boots. Rubber boots, see? So yeah, so you're getting a lot more tread. Am I gonna get them all in the same shot? Probably not. Getting a lot more tread out of the Amazon $30 rubber boots from China, the muck boots, which I like. And you know, you get the steel toe version, and that's something. Protects your toes. Okay, so you've got your refined boot and you've got your yucky muck boot, and you know, both are useful. See, your choice. Do I find that the Hunters are too narrow and they squeeze my toes? No, but I have narrow feet. But if you want to see why some people online might be complaining, that is why. There is a difference. They are narrow. I don't know if I got special narrow ones, or they said that these were a very particularly narrow design, but they use the word refined. So there you go. So are you going to squish your toes in there to look beautiful? Probably. So you can, I think they're acceptable for, let's just say, office wear and you know, ladies who lunch. You know, you can get away with, I wish I could get a little bit more light on these. Maybe I'll make like a much better shot of this. Yeah. Yeah, for the ladies who lunch, you know, and you're super thin and you've got your job purse. Is that how you say it? I don't know. Someone correct me. You know, a little riding jacket. It looks so cute in these. Am I happy? Did I waste money? Yeah, I'm happy because, you know, I have these sort of somewhat formal business occasions where I just want to wear rubber boots and I don't want to get my leather shoes wet, and I don't have the luxury of men who carry those rubber things to put over their dress shoes. You know, I got these boots, and they're light and they're acceptable for business, and you know, they keep your feet dry. And yeah, you can, I can just easily kick them off. There's no lace up required, so that's what sucks up all your time if you're thinking you're gonna wear Timberlands or these LL Bean lace up duck boots. You still have to mess with laces. You lace them up once, but still you gotta tighten the laces, and geez, who can be bothered? You just sort of stuff your foot in these and sort of position them, because sometimes the opening isn't as wide as you'd like, and to find the right insoles for them if the fit's a little loose or whatever. These LL Bean sort of like ginormous sneaker winter boots, kind of, I got them on eBay for like a real good buy, like $35. They're great. And I love the tread on these. I mean, this is a nice tread, okay? I never slip and fall in these. They're very light. They're like sneakers. You just can't wear them for business. But these are my boots of choice, actually, for just walking around in the winter. All right. Steel toe Timberland Pros, steel tops for pretty much, you know, shoveling snow and stuff and being waterproof and looking great and being in fashion. I like the sort of old-fashioned granny look of these as well. Oh, let's take a look at the bottom of these, because yeah, these duck boots, yeah, you slip and slide. I mean, come on, there's just some rubber here. Should we look at the bottom of these? Yeah. All right, let me pick up one. Yeah. How much of a tread at all? These are fashion. Now, these are the old-fashioned steel toe pros. These are actually hand-me-downs, but they just last. You know, I had these, the rubber glued back on. I paid like, less than $30 just to have the rubber sole glued back on. I don't know if you can see. The guy did a fantastic job, the cobbler. I mean, look at that stitching. Come on, people go on and on about LL Bean, but you know what? Best value for your money are these Timberland Pro steel toe. And these tech ones, LL Beans, I got used, and they're like in beautiful condition. They're like sneakers, but hey, who doesn't want to just wear sneakers all year long anyways? Okay, so yeah, there I've gone meandering. As promised, check the info box. Meandering. Have a good day, everyone.